Cam, release the arm bar so we get this.
And mark it.
Mark. You guys all got the slate?
Yeah.
Marker.
Yay.
Get that up, flat into the roof, yeah.
Mark it.
Thanks.
Mark. Everyone got it?
Yeah.
Marker.
2 pillows? I don't know if there's a mic on there. So.
A little higher there, right there.
And mark it.
Marker.
See, I only repeat myself when it's the same cut.
Cam, let's do that move again. Let's just take it up.
What, from all the which part?
Yeah, from the beginning.
I mean, how many ways do we need to see me mystical?
Feel like the way
We're not gonna easy.
Okay, here we go.
Let's go, girls. Six more. One.
Her thing is burning.
Okay, everything's fine. Just cannot make this thing. This next technique is called floating lunges. This next technique is called floating lunges. Does that make sense? Okay.
Right there, we're good.
Okay.
Mark it.
Yeah.
Hold on. Wait for feet. Marker.
You know, you have to let your body feel it. You can't be mechanical with this movement. You've got to really let your pelvis lead. So if you're a bad dancer, this could improve your... Let me take that again. Keep moving. Okay.
Anytime.
So if you're a bad dancer, this could really improve things around the house. And there's your dancing lion.
Okay, one more. Oh, that's great. Stay there. We need to do that same one.
I wanted to say this could really improve your sex life.
Okay.
This is a very fun technique, very simple. This actually takes you back to your natural state of being. This technique is rolling. This next technique, fudge. This thing. Notice the sharp recoiling of the leg. She's got that sharp extension and that sharp recoil, because we don't want anyone to be able to grab our leg. Oh, I'm sorry. All right, back to Budokon.
Rolling.
Jib is rolling. And mark it.
Marker.
And mark it.
Okay.
Okay, mark it.
There we go, got it.
Marker. Marker.
The ground where she's really not relying on that hand to base her out. Now she's using only one point as a base. Very, very difficult position. Very advanced. So save that for the, me, I can't talk.
Okay, hold on.
So wherever Emily can naturally hold that leg is where she should be kicking. And let's demonstrate the kick again. Now she's kicking higher than she can hold her leg. Should I beat her? Spank her? Fire her? Make me look bad? Okay, let's do it again.